Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Happy person female sign smiling face with hearts. As we start this recipe, it would be wonderful if you could leave in the comments the country and city where you are watching me. Folded hands smiling face with hearts heart 2 kilograms of fresh garlic. Let's begin by removing the stem part from the bottom of the garlic. Next, we'll peel off the outer layers, leaving the top 2 intact. We need to cut off the root end without damaging the garlic. I kindly ask that you watch the videos until the end so you don't miss any details. Red heart folded hands now. Let's wash the garlic thoroughly and let it drain. I used 2 glass jars, each with a capacity of 1 liter. Now let's fill the jars with the garlic. If you have watched my video up to this point, I would be immensely grateful if you could subscribe to my channel. Folded hands heart will add 2 bay leaves to each jar. Next, we'll evenly distribute 4 slices of lemon among the jars. Now it's time to add the remaining garlic. Without a doubt, I highly recommend trying this pickle as it is truly delicious. Okay, sign smiling face with hearts we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of coarse salt. And to enhance the flavor, 1 teaspoon of lemon salt. For this step, you will need 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, approximately 300 milliliters. Stir carefully until the salts are completely dissolved. I kindly request that you subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive updates on my newly published videos. Folded hands heart now let's fill the jars evenly. Fill them with warm drinking water until reaching the top. Then, seal them tightly with new and clean lids. Keep the jars in a cool place, protected from direct sunlight, for 15 days. After this period, shake the jars to ensure that all the ingredients are well mixed. If the weather is warm, it is recommended to keep the jars in the refrigerator after the 15 days. If you enjoyed my recipe, it would be very kind of you to leave a comment and a like to support me. Smiling face with hearts throwing kisses heart wishing everyone a great appetite. Heart.